welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and in today's video I'm going to be opening my Cricut maker, which I got for Christmas. I'm super excited to show you what's in this box, and this is what the box looks like, and it shows you everything that's included. And I'm just gonna open it up real quick. I had to turn it. Here's the blades that it comes with, and here's additional blades that I could get later on. So it only comes with a couple of blades to start. Just gonna open this up, and looks like there is an introduction box. Let's get started. So this is for our first project. Interesting. Okay, I'm just trying to open this without tearing it. Materials for your first project. Okay, I'll open that later. Open me first. I'm guessing these are setup instructions. And they're numbered. Nice. Pretty dummy proof. And they're stuck together. That's kind of cool. Literally gives you step-by-step instructions. Okay, we're going to be doing this later. That's kind of cool how they set this up, though. Very, very clean, chic look. Okay. Awesome. I'll keep those on hand. And I'll show you how I set it up too. So get these back in the envelope. Perfect. More paper. Tutorials and stuff. That's cool. And it looks like that is a rotary cutter of some kind. It's a round blade. I'll just keep that there for now. And then the booklet that comes with it. And if I lift this up, there's a pen in here for writing. And I think that's the cap for the blade. Yep, that's the blade cap. And this looks like the USB to hook up to your computer. Cool, cool. Okay. We'll set this aside for now. And, whoops. We'll come back to it a little bit later. Let me get all these things back in there nice and pretty. Okay, so let me move these blocks in here. And you can see all the rest of the stuff that's in here, including my Cricut, which I'm really excited about. Comes with all of the tools that you need to start. I really do like the packaging. It's very sleek. Comes with a set of pens. Very cool. I'm gonna have to figure out how to use those. And looks like vinyl. Not permanent vinyl, just non-permanent. And then there's another cutter. Looks like there's more down here, if I can get these out. Looks like pretty papers. So it comes with a pack of deluxe paper. This would be perfect for making cards and crafts. And if you do scrapbooking, this will be perfect for that. And then it comes with removable vinyl. Very cool. Okay. Oh, I like the arrows. That's cute. lots of vinyl and lots of paper to start. I think these are the mats. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move the Cricut first. Okay, so let me get this out so I can get those mats. And there's the power cord. I was wondering where it was. There it is. That plugs into the wall for power. And then here are the mats that it comes with. It comes with 2. It looks like the blue mat is the light mat. And this one is a fabric grip. Interesting. Okay, I'm going to move this box and I'm going to actually open up my Cricut, get it out of the wrapping. Turn it around so it's facing me. I haven't decided where to put my Cricut yet. I'm just going to put it on top of my desk, like the ledge on top of my desk, just to like show you how to set it up and everything. But that's probably not where it's going to live. I have to figure that out. I think this is a champagne color, if I remember. And there's cute little compartments here for your tools. There's the front, and I'll have to take the plastic off. So I'll do that off camera, and then we're going to set up this bad boy. So unleash the beauty. Plug in and power your Cricut Maker. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab my power cord, and there is a plug back here. There's 2 plugins. One's for power, and the other one is for the USB. So right now we're plugging the power in, and it's rounder. I'm just putting it right here just to show you guys how to set this up. I might end up getting like a little mini table for it until I actually have a nice craft room with its own table and all that stuff. So this is how we open it.
It's so beautiful. Look at that. So pretty.
Take out the foam. And that's where the pen goes, and the other one's the blade. Ta-da! Here's all the buttons. And there's like a slot above to like put your tablet or phone or whatever. I didn't show in the video, but there's a compartment on the bottom where we put the mats. There's a little lid that lifts up, and you can put tools and whatnot in there, which I do eventually. But right now, we're just going to set this up. So, get connected, number 2. Okay, we're going to go to Cricut.com and set this up. The laptop I'll be using. This is really the only laptop that I have. The only computer that I have. I use this computer for basically everything. So we're going to install the design space for Windows because my computer is a Windows 10. So we're just going to hit download and install, save file, and then a little arrow. I'm going to click on the arrow to open up the destination, and then I'm just going to place the Cricut design space on my desktop. But I'm going to open it. I'm just going to open it directly from here. I am curious how many of you use Cricuts, own a Cricut, know somebody who owns a Cricut. If you're interested in seeing more Cricut projects that I will be doing with my Cricut, let me know in the comments below, and I will try to make more videos on the Cricut. So when we're setting this up, we're going to pick our Maker, because there's 3 different kinds. We're going to do Maker, because that's what I have. And then we're just going to, it's a free account, so I'm just going to put my information in, and then once I'm done, I'll hit the sign up button or whatever button. Put my name, and then I'll put the rest of the information in. I live in the United States. Okay, so I'm gonna do this off camera. Asked me to update, so I'm gonna update it. 10 inches from the space behind. Interesting. Good to know. Okay, good. So it tells me where the outlets are. Okay, already did that. Okay, the USB cord is what's going to connect to my computer. So that's what the USB looks like. That part goes into the Cricut Maker, and then the other end goes into my computer. Okay. So now we hit next. Now we're going to update. So it's going to update real fast. Shouldn't take too long. There we go. That was so quick. Okay, my Cricut Maker is up to date. Awesome, awesome. We do get a month free subscription to the Cricut Space. It gets you have access to tons of things. I am just going to skip that for now and do my test cut. So I think I'm going to do the flower. So we're going to test cut the flower. Okay. It's great. It's got great visuals. Because honestly, I have never, ever, ever done this before. So I'm a total beginner. So it's good to have my materials for my project. So it comes with cardstock. 2 pieces of cardstock, and I'm just going to use the small blue piece. I'm going to use the light grip because we are using paper. That just makes the most sense, and it's the only mat that I have, really. I'm going to have to actually go and get different mats because I want to get the regular mats and the big ones, so I'm going to get some of those in the very near future just so I can do bigger projects because I have ideas in my brain that I want to do. Okay, so the mat goes here. I'm just making sure everything's good. Making sure I'm doing this right. I'm going to hit the double arrow button. See what happens. Okay, the Cricut button is blinking. Can you see that? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so it's ready to cut. Oh, it seems kind of off. We'll see what happens. Yeah. I don't think it's cutting right. Rookie mistake. Yeah, I don't think it is. Okay. It's a learning curve. Yeah, see? So, lesson learned. Make sure that you have resistance when you put the mat in. Because if it's not in, because apparently there's 2 slots. One in the front where we see, and there's one in the back too. So if it's not in both, then the mat won't go in all the way. See that? We cut into the mat. Rookie mistake. Right, yeah, see that? Oh well, whatever. I mean, you know, I'm gonna keep the paper on and see and try it again. Sometimes that's how you learn, you know, trial and error. Okay, so for some reason, every time I put the mat in, it goes in crooked and it doesn't go to the back. So I'm gonna see if I can align this better. Hold on, not quite. Everybody on YouTube that has one of these makes it look so easy. Okay, I think that's correct. Okay, let's see what happens now. Okay, I'm just gonna keep an eye on it. I mean, this is just a test cut, so it's not like a big deal. But I want to make sure I'm doing it right. Hey, it's working. Awesome. This looks really good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more Cricut videos, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below and tell me. Because I have tons of projects that I would love to try, and I can make, I don't know if I'd make tutorials on them because I'm still learning. Like, this is the very first cutting machine that I've ever owned, ever. And I've only seen other people's videos, so I can just, like, make videos of me making stuff. Let me know down below. I would love to hear your feedback. Oh, it's done. Wow, that was fast. Fabulous. Okay, there we go. There's our flower. That is so cool. Okay, so I'm going to actually show you Cricut Design Space real fast. So this is what Cricut Design Space is. It's a free design space that you are able to use. There is a subscription to use, I'd say, about 80% of the things that are in here. I want to see what I can make on the free version. If I can see how creative I can get. I'm going to be doing a lot of research and see what I can do for the free version, because I think the subscription is $9.99 a month. So I don't know if it's worth it quite yet. If I can do a bunch of cool things free, I will do it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you